Differences between accounts and contacts. In TaxDome, clients are separated by accounts and contacts. Accounts are the entities that you interact with, such as a business or an individual. Contacts are generally referred to individuals you interact with. Everything is related to the entity, and that account can have one or many different contacts associated with it. One contact can also be linked to many accounts. So what does that mean? In this instance, John is linked to his business, to the Conrad's business account, and to his family account. This means each person can have access to only what they need to have access to. And in John's case, he will have access to all three of these accounts. So let's see how this works with multiple contacts in an account. If I open John's family account and navigate to his Info tab in the Contacts section, I can see all the contacts that are associated with this account. I can see the email address that he has in his profile, his son who doesn't have any email addresses, and his spouse. For each contact, you can configure their access level using checkboxes. The Login checkbox grants portal access. The Notify checkbox enables them to receive notifications. The Email Sync checkbox synchronizes their email communications. The Signatory checkbox allows them to sign documents. You can link as many contacts as you need to accounts. All the accounts with shared contacts are listed in the Linked Accounts section at the bottom of the Accounts Info tab. Selecting the account name will open this Accounts Info tab. Those are the differences between contacts and accounts.